Today we have a fun box opening box opening from Toy Art Gallery in LA, and we have two special guests. Well, not two special guests. I guess they're not alive, are they? So we'll do first.
I guess whoever comes out first is going to be the first.
Yeah, so we have the first one. So, Tag Toys.
Do you sticker?
Tag. They have a lot of really cool stuff on their website, like a lot of really cool stuff. So the first one I see is the
Big ticket item.
Baphomaniac. This is from Ontiveros. He is awesome. We have a few pieces of his. We saw that had to have them. The Baphomaniac. I usually take the headers off and put them in a nice place. So I'll take him out so you can see him in all his glory.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one, a lovely addition to my Kodama, or R, I should say, our Kodama Charmy Chance. But this is the glow-in-the-dark one. I found it, then I haven't found it, then I find it, then I don't find it, and then they finally got a big shipment in of Charmy Chance, but I wanted the glow-in-the-dark one. Yay! I'm going to open them, take the headers off, and then keep. The header is off. I'll show you the Charmy Chan, the Kodama toy. They're all made in Japan. For any of those who like that. But yay! I have the glow-in-the-dark. I have glow-in-the-dark. Ooh! A little bit obsessed with glow-in-the-dark everything, so. And then, for the Baphomaniac, there's the header card again. You can see it a little bit better with Martin's amazing artwork.
You're welcome.
Martin Ontiveros. And this is a Baphomaniac.
Oh, Baphomaniac.
Baphomaniac, thank you. It's hard to say. Let's take him out. Oh, he's painted so pretty. Of course, Krampus wouldn't be Krampus without his, or Baphomaniac, or Krampus. Okay.
You got Krampus' bell. That's where you're getting confused.
I got confused, yes. Oopsie.
You know Jailer's bell?
I think my brain...
His...
Yeah, but you look at his other works too. He always has like eyes and stuff everywhere. So this also glows in the dark. Let me turn him around. He has some nice eyes. I don't know if these... Oh! The wings move.
And it obviously has cute feet and...
Let's see. It's stamped. So it's stamped tag, the Toy Art Gallery. And then M.O., the Martin Ontiveros. I think the only thing it moves are his arms, his wings, and... Oh, the head does. Slightly. So we'll go give him a glow. Go give both of them a glow. But yes, very exciting. More glow-in-the-dark editions. I just wanted to add another one I got yesterday. It's from Magnetarius. It is a little Kappa. I've never had any Sofubi from them before, but I want to take it out of the package. I'm going to take the header out real quick and we'll take a little quick look at him. Okay, the header's off now. Again, I want to say it's from Magnetarius. I've seen a lot of their work. They're a husband and wife team. I know that in North Carolina. So I was excited. I love independent artists. That's why I love Sofubi so much. I say me. It's always me. So you got a little cute little foil sticker. And this guy, I mean, he's adorable. I love the color. It's a UV paint. He doesn't glow, but he glows. Ooh.
Black light.
Look at that. He's a real cutie. So I just wanted to include that too because he came in yesterday. Adorable.